Black garlic is a unique and increasingly popular culinary ingredient that is created through a process of fermenting raw garlic bulbs at high temperatures and humidity for an extended period of time, usually several weeks to several months. This fermentation process results in cloves of garlic that are dark brown to black in color, with a soft, sticky texture and a complex, sweet and savory flavor profile. One of the main benefits of black garlic is its high antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which are responsible for oxidative stress and damage to cells. Black garlic contains a higher concentration of antioxidants compared to raw garlic, including compounds such as S-allyl cysteine, SAC, and allicin, which are known to have potent antioxidant activity. Regular consumption of black garlic may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases related to oxidative stress, such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases. In addition to its antioxidant properties, black garlic is also believed to have immune system supporting properties. It contains various bioactive compounds that may help enhance the immune response and improve overall immune function. This can be especially beneficial during times of illness or when the immune system needs a boost, such as during cold and flu seasons. Black garlic has been associated with several other potential health benefits. Studies have suggested that it may have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which could help fight off infections and promote a healthy immune system. It may also help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol, and improve heart health, as well as have prebiotic properties that can support a healthy gut microbiome. When it comes to consuming black garlic, there are various ways to enjoy its unique flavor and potential health benefits. One popular way is to use it in cooking. Black garlic can be added to a wide range of dishes, such as spreads, sauces, marinades, dressings, soups, and stews, to add depth and complexity to the flavors. Its soft and sticky texture makes it easy to spread or mash, and its sweet and savory taste adds a unique umami flavor to dishes. Black garlic can also be eaten raw, although its taste can be quite strong and pungent. Some people enjoy eating a small clove of black garlic on its own as a healthy snack or condiment, while others prefer to incorporate it into other foods or dishes for a milder flavor. It can be used in salads, sandwiches, and other dishes that call for raw garlic, but keep in mind that its flavor is distinct and may need to be balanced with other ingredients. In addition to culinary uses, black garlic is also available in supplement form, such as capsules or tablets. These supplements are typically made from black garlic extract and are marketed for their potential health benefits. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, including black garlic supplements, to ensure they are safe and appropriate for your individual health needs.